Hi folks, we're over here at 288 Apricot in Plantation Village, one of the nicer mobile home communities here in Bradenton, Florida. This lovely home that we have here for sale is a 1980 Schultz. It's 24 by 48, fully furnished, pots, pans, dishes, everything. Washer and dryer is inside the home. Nice feature. A lot of people have a problem going up and down the steps all the time to go out to a shed where most washer and dryers are at. Kitchen's been upgraded with a more modernized countertop. Very clean, very spacious. Floors are solid. They have been reworked in the last few years. This is 288 Apricot. We have a nice Berber carpet in the living room, and all the furnishings are in great shape. Tastefully decorated. This home has a rubberized membrane insulated roof over metal ribs. Nice feature for sound and insulation. Now we're walking into the guest bedroom. That's two twin beds. A walk-in closet there on the other side, as you can see. And we have a nice clothes hanging closet to the left. Bathroom is very nice, clean, tidy. That's a steel tub. A lot of homes have the plastic tubs. Upgraded toilet. Elongated bowl. Walking into the primary bedroom. Nicely furnished. Real pleasant wall coverings. As I mentioned, this is move-in ready. All you got to do is bring your clothes and you're here. The outside of the home has a fascia damage in the front of the home from the hurricane. Minor fix. There's a gentleman in the park that's a certified contractor that could take care of that for you if this is something you wanted to do. Step-in shower. So folks, if this is something that interests you, give me a call. Jerry Gatzmeyer, My Florida Dreams Mobile Home Sales. 941-779-7842. I'd love to show it to you. Thanks for watching.